Have you ever been in the middle of a project and realized you don't have any chalk paint? Well, I had that problem. So I decided to make my own since I had acrylic paint and baking soda. Yep, it's that simple. Keep watching and I'll show you how I did it. So today I needed some chalk paint and I'm currently out. I have ordered some, but it hasn't gotten here yet. So I went online and found this recipe and we're going to try it now. All that you need is the color of paint that you want to use, and I'm going to use this Apple Barrel White, a measuring cup, and baking soda. And that's all that they say is to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure out 1/3 cup of baking soda. And you'll find I don't really measure stuff, I just sort of eyeball it. That looks good. Now I need a 2/3 cup of my paint. So I think what we're going to do is just use all the paint that's in the bottle. Okay, so that seems to be mixed up pretty well. So now I'm going to find something to actually put it in. I have this old mason jar. You can see it's very small, it's very short. So now we're going to put our paint in our jar. Scrape around the edges so we can get all of our paint as much as we can into this jar. Okay guys, stick around for my next project to see if this chalk paint works. I've got a piece of old wood that has already been stained, and we're going to paint it with this chalk paint. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Our board seems to be pretty dry. It's really rough feeling, so next time I will probably use less of the baking soda or more paint. I didn't realize I was about out of that paint also. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this piece outside and sand it up a little bit, and I'll show you what the end result looks like. Okay, so I'm back inside. I sanded it down and made it look old and rustic. I love this kind of look, and it turned out perfect. So I don't think I will be spending high prices on chalk paint anymore. I'm just going to use it with baking soda. I mean, you can get baking soda for less than $1, and then just use your craft paints. Next time I may try it with the Dollar General acrylic paint and see how that does. This is the sign I used the handmade chalk paint on, and I think it turned out better than with store-bought chalk paint. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!